Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to be walking you guys through my college morning routine. So I start by waking up. It takes me a couple minutes normally, but my dog surely helps. He just usually likes to jump on me to get me up. A good old morning stretch never hurts either, so we start with that in the morning, and then I proceed to make my bed. I have this weird habit where I can't go to sleep unless my bed's made, so I just like to get it over with in the morning, and my dog's making it very difficult, so he needs to leave. After I've made my bed, I then go into the bathroom where I will brush my teeth and put my hair up so that way I can wash my face shortly after. For washing my face in the morning, I'm obsessed with the Origins Checks and Balances Foamy Face Wash. This stuff is great. A little bit goes such a long way. So I just put it on in circular rubbing motion, and then I'll leave it on for like a minute or so, and then just rinse it off with some cool water. I then go in with my moisturizer. This is the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. I love this stuff. If you have oily skin, it's great because it sinks into the skin super fast. And as you can see, I apply it with like my knuckle of my finger. That way I don't contaminate it with my actual fingers, even though I just washed my hands. So I'm just gonna put that all over and then also down my neck. And now for the most important part of my morning is definitely making coffee. So I actually have like a classic coffee maker. That way I can make like a couple cups of coffee and not have to like go through so many K-cups. So this is a really great way to save money in college. Definitely just get one of these like original coffee pots. I think I got this for like $15 at Target. Thanks, Mom. So I'm just gonna pour some water in. I usually do about 3 cups, which in all honesty is more like a 2-cup of coffee. And so I'm gonna put that in and let that brew. And now I'm just gonna pour it into my mug, and as you can see, I love the Coffee Mate coffee creamer. It's the Italian creamer. I don't know, it's really good. I just put a little bit of that just to sweeten it up just a little bit. Now I bring my coffee over to my desk, and I normally start by just checking on my school emails, any updated homework, grades. I'll look at social media really quick in the morning as well if I have time. So I just spend I would say a good 10 minutes or so on my laptop once I have my cup of coffee and just like wake up a little bit. So now I just get some of my makeup together, and I'm just going to do a quick face of makeup. So I start by just doing some foundation, a little bit of under eye concealer, just blend that out. And like I said, it's going to be like a super quick, easy, like on the go type of makeup look, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time. And then I just set the foundation and concealer with a little bit of powder just so that way I don't get super oily throughout the day. And I just use my sponge for all of this just to save time. It's a great way just to like do it quick. Then I just do my brows, brush them out. I'm putting on a little bit of bronzer, as you can see. Sometimes I totally skip blush altogether and just do bronzer, so I look like a typical Floridian and with a nice tan because I never go outside to tan. And then I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara and literally just a little bit of MAC's lipstick in Brave, which is my absolute favorite. And literally, guys, that is all I do sometimes for my makeup. So now we're gonna get dressed. As you can see, I'm gonna go from this ugly pajama set to a really cute outfit. So let's see what we got. Boom, just like that. Nice, cute, comfortable outfit. I'm just wearing a denim skirt and this cute like light green knit top. Still super hot here in Florida, so this is what I'll be wearing. And then I'm just gonna get my shoes on, grab my backpack, and put my books in it, and we are off to class. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye.